This is how to use Quora to build this, or this kind of video portfolio in about 10 minutes. And this is a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Log in and choose a theme. Step 2. Basic profile info. Here, upload your avatar, then enter your name and location. Next, add a short slogan. This is just a quick positioning line. Who you are and what you do. Keep it short. You can add more details later. Step 3. Add your video projects. Most important part. This is the most important section, your videos. You can paste any video link here, YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram, or even Google Drive. If you paste a YouTube link, Quora will automatically fetch the video title and thumbnail for you. For other links, you'll just upload a thumbnail and write a short description yourself. You need at least 3 video projects, and you can add up to 15. A quick tip. If you only have around 3 videos, I recommend using the first template. If you have a larger showcase, the third template works best. Step 4. Professional info and contact details. Here, choose your professional role. Video editor, motion designer, or anything you want. Then add your experience. For example, influencers or brands you've worked with before. Next, select your editing tools, like Premiere Pro, After Effects, or Final Cut Pro. The AI tools and language sections are optional. You can skip them if you want. What really matters here is your email. Make sure it's correct so clients can contact you directly. You can also add your Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, or any other social links so people can find you easily. Once everything is filled, click Save Changes. Step 5. Publish and share. After saving, go to the site settings and click Publish. Then click Visit to see your live website. You can copy this link and share it with clients or put it directly in your social media bio. Step 6. Final tip on templates. It's normal to publish and review your site a few times to get the best result. For example, on the third template, shorter video titles look cleaner. On the first 2 templates, title length matters less, so you have more freedom. Take a minute to preview each option and choose the one that showcases your work best. For this template, you can change the desktop background to instantly shift the whole vibe. Quick tip. Pull inspiration from Midjourney and generate a custom background in your own style. And that's it. Make sure your portfolio is live, then share it everywhere.